Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Driveway Detail. Today we're going to be doing an interior detail on our 2006 Lexus ES350. Hope you guys enjoy. So this car wasn't too dirty, but the customer did want to freshen up the interior. They also want to go ahead and shampoo the carpets and the floor mats just because they haven't been done for a while and there was a good bit of staining on them. I started off by pulling the floor mats out. Then I went ahead and gave the carpet a thorough vacuum, really trying to get as much of the dirt out as possible so that I'm not clogging up my extractor when I start shampooing. After I was done vacuuming, it was time to start shampooing the carpets. And for solution, I just used Chemical Guy's carpet shampoo, diluted 20-to-1 in my pump sprayer. Then I used my drill brush to agitate and bring up as much of the dirt as possible. If you use a drill brush when shampooing carpets, it's always important to go back with a smaller attachment and get into the tighter areas and edges that the larger brush couldn't get into. Moving on now to the floor mats, you can see just how desperately they needed to be shampooed. I think I ended up doing about 5 or 6 passes on the driver mat, just trying to get as much of the dirt and grime out as possible. I ended up going back with some Adams carpet and upholstery cleaner to hit the spots I was having a little more trouble with. Also, when using the extractor, I always try to go in a crosshatch pattern when cleaning floor mats. And for those of you who don't know what that is, it's where you just make a pass going up and down and then you just follow it back with a pass going side to side. As you guys saw, this Bissell Spot Clean Professional did a great job cleaning up these floor mats. If you guys are looking for a good carpet cleaner, I have it linked in the description below as well as all the other products I use. Take a look at just how filthy the water was coming out of the extractor. After I was finally done cleaning the carpets, it was time to move on to start cleaning the dash area. I'm just using my Chemical Guys interior cleaner. Then I followed up my detail brush, trying to get as much of the dirt and dust out of the crevices and around the buttons. Then once I'm done cleaning off the area, I go back and apply some Chemical Guys Silk and Shine. And I really like this product because a lot of the other UV protectants I've used, they actually end up drying really greasy, whereas Silk and Shine completely dries and it leaves the dash with that OEM gloss finish. Moving on now to the door panels, they had a lot of caked on grime and dirt in the leather. So one thing I always struggled with was getting down into the handle, and it is actually one of the dirtiest spots on the car. So I started carrying around a toothbrush, and it really makes cleaning down to the pocket of the door handle a lot easier. This car actually had fabric over the speakers on the door panels, and the fabric seemed pretty fragile, so I just sprayed on some upholstery cleaner. Then I gently scrubbed it with my carpet brush, trying to remove some of the dirt that settled into the cloth. Whenever I do interior details, I always clean off all the door jambs. And I just use some all-purpose cleaner mixed into my pump sprayer, and then I go back and agitate it with my detail brush. This car also had some metal door sill covers, so I just used some Mother's metal and aluminum polish to get them looking new again. Alright guys, this is it for this interior detail on this 2006 Lexus. If you guys enjoyed, please drop a like below. Also, subscribe if you haven't already so that you don't miss any future detailing videos.